coming to you from a park somewhere. Just wanted to show you a cache that we thought was kind of neat. But first, take you on a little tour of the area. You have this little informational post around here. That's animal track sheets thing for the kids to match up some animal footprints. Got a little informational signpost over here around this tree. This one tells you about Virginia creeper, some kind of vine. And over here, a more important one, you get to learn all about
poison ivy.
Poison ivy.
Leaves of 3, let it be. Hairy vine, no friend of mine.
Of course, she doesn't mind me saying so. She's Mom is in favor of her benches, and she's found a bench for herself over here.
She loves this park already.
But where's the cache? Well, I tell you this, it's supposed to be an ammo can, and we are within 5 feet of it right now. Where have you seen where a cache could be an ammo can right around here? Well,
I don't know, but you can clean out your boots right here. They even leave a boot scraper.
This cache was kind of neat when we first opened it. Right here. There it is. Giant sized ammo can in there. I tell you, I haven't seen a cache this big since outside of the 8 cache up in Washington. And there's all sorts of little goodies in here too. Not just little. All sorts of stuff in there. It is nicely stocked full of swag. Even a little Tupperware in here for small stuff. That's pretty amazing. Ugh. Tell you, I think we were all pretty amazed when we saw that pop out of there.
Oh, indeed. Yeah, that had to be a lot of money and a lot of labor to put that one together.
So that was the cache we wanted to show you. Thanks for stepping in the cache continuum with us today. Till next time, cache on.